Morning. Worn out. Bloodshot eye this morning. But some plants from Proctor's, some Rebecca's, some it's got some echinacea over there, Gara, some roses, some Achillea and Saldecia. I try and bring these videos with some enthusiasm and gusto and show you what we're doing on a day-to-day basis. And sometimes, you know, you want the people around you to be enthusiastic like you, and here they are.
Looking at drills.
Oh, he's looking at drills. I'm with Jack now. Jack, you're having a coffee, and he's having a little cappuccino. There's a van over there, and it's like a little cafe mobile van. We've just bought one of these. What they call Loca. Definitely got a European feel to it. They all look French by the looks of it. Jack, you were just telling me about this about ride to scheme work. What was it? What was it about?
Cycle to work scheme.
Cycle to work scheme.
Yeah.
And what's that involve? You said that your mum, she worked at aerospace. Airbus. So what happened with Airbus? What happened?
You get to have a bike to encourage people not to use their cars if the company signed it to the scheme, and they take so much a month out of your wages to pay for the bike over a couple of years.
All right, okay. And is there a value on the bikes? Or what
I think it depends on your wages, but you're going to have like bikes up to a couple of £1,000, I think.
Yeah, you want a good bike. If you're going to buy it,
if you're going to ride it all the time, you want a comfy bike.
Yeah, because we just seen that guy going in there. Then he had a bike, didn't he? It was a battery operated one. Do you think that's a good idea in the environment that we're living in? Because how far did your mum live from? Would you say from Airbus down to there? Was it?
It takes you 25 minutes to walk. It's about 3 mile, I think it is, 4 mile.
Yeah, but the trouble is, right? How many cycle tracks have we got?
We got some, but
yeah, but it's not like Holland, is it? In Holland, there's
everywhere.
cycle tracks everywhere. Even on the roads, not the main roads, I should say, rather, but even on the roads in Holland, they have those designated cycle tracked areas, don't they?
Yeah.
Yeah, and do we have to think about the environment now?
Yeah.
Yeah, we do. There you are. Conversation in the van. Well, we're in Salco's at the moment, and we just want some 4x4 posts, and there you are. All right, the shelves aren't full, but everybody's moaning about posts. Maybe we're lucky, but there we are, Jack. We have over there some posts there. Let's just get one of those. I'm with Alex Ward, and the scored. Do you know, that is a nice logo. Look at that logo. That's a smart logo. So we just bumped into each other, haven't we?
Yeah, in Salco.
Is that good or bad?
It's good, it's good.
Have we got a date?
Yeah.
Cheers. I don't know, good Jack is a cameraman, but he's showing some enthusiasm today at last. Jack, I had an email this morning off a gentleman, doesn't matter who it is, he's had some porcelain laid, and the shape they've cut the shape looks pretty good, but the trouble is, what's happened is that all along the edge, it's all chipped and fragmented. So the fact is, if you are cutting porcelain, you need to use the correct blade. Can you cut a patio in situ on the ground? Well, yeah, you can, and you can do it with the correct blade. Right, here we go. This is how neighbourly disputes start sometimes. Not necessarily a dispute in this case, but trying to clarify exactly boundaries of fence lines. If you look at that now, that's an old post that's been there for some time, but there was a previous post there as well, and they've just gone, I don't think they've even concreted in the ground, so they've gone over there roughly about 4 inches. So that's why we've got a bend in the fence, and we're having to adjust this now. Come over the neighbours, talk to the neighbour here and deal with this. So ensure where your boundaries are. Well, as Jack was saying, this is really quality work. So what we have here, we're doing a project on the other side, and the fence line isn't straight. It happens occasionally, but what's happened, the fence is moved over that side, Okay, they put 2 new posts in to try and straighten it up. But what they've actually done, they haven't followed the original boundary. You can see the original boundary. Possibly this, I would say this is where it is. There's the post there. That's where it was concreted initially. Somebody's put this post in here, and all they've done is secured it to the rail, which is absolutely rotten. So if you look at that, you've got 4 inches of the post, plus maybe 1.5 inches, 2 inches in between. So that's nearly 6 inches that this fence line is pushed over on the neighbours. And apart from not being fair, that causes disputes, and this is where problems start. So lucky enough, the neighbour here has been really, really good, and he's been understanding. So we have to remove that concrete and that post and realign the fence up accordingly. Yeah, Carl has done some work, and you can see where they put the post is way over, so we're going to get that back over now. Well, we found this at Salco's. This is Colton fence post rapid set. Let's see how it goes. Here we are, guys. This is my van. High top, long wheelbase, 84,000 miles on the clock, I think. The only thing I've done is I've broke these, and that was day one. This was day one. Just the lens has gone there now, and this was day three. Day 3. Wasn't used to the mirrors. There you go. Got one little mark on the side there, but generally it's in good shape, absolutely good shape. So I'm thinking of getting rid of this. Here's the back of it. Comes with a landscape survival sticker. 84,000 miles on the clock. I've only actually done 30,000 in just under 2 years. Absolutely spotless. So make me an offer. What Jack's doing there, he's putting a capping, so what we're using for the fascia with the cladding, he's going over the top as well there now. Just finishes off better. I want to show you what Jack's doing there. You can see where we're putting the capping on, and it just finishes it off. I think actually perfectly. They're just testing the lights now. They're on and off. There we go. Lights back on. They won't show up yet until it gets dark. But I can't wait to see it.